The launch of Artemis 2 on April 1st, 2026 may seem like a historic moment, and it truly is. We are witnessing humanity taking another step deeper into space, even going beyond limits that were once reached before. And of course, we should appreciate the team at NASA and the astronauts involved. This is no small achievement.
And here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7. RS-25 engines lit. 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition. And liftoff. The crew of Artemis 2 now bound for the moon. Humanity's next great voyage begins.
And of course, we should appreciate the team at NASA and the astronauts involved. This is no small feat. But if we look deeper, this isn't just about technology or a journey to the moon. This is about human ambition. The Artemis program itself is often wrapped in a very positive narrative: scientific exploration, the future of humanity, and a step toward Mars. And indeed, the Artemis 2 mission is important. 4 astronauts will orbit the moon for about 10 days, testing life support systems, navigation, and communication in deep space. All of this serves as a foundation for future missions. But behind it all, there's a pattern that feels familiar. If we look back at history, human exploration on Earth also began with curiosity, exploration, but over time, it turned into colonization, from arriving, observing, to staying, controlling, and exploiting. And now, that pattern is starting to reappear. The difference is, the stage is no longer Earth, but outer space. The moon, once seen as a symbol of mystery, is now beginning to be viewed as an asset. There is ice that can be converted into fuel. There is energy potential, such as helium-3. There are even plans to build permanent habitats through concepts like a base camp. Which means we're not just planning to visit the moon, we're planning to stay. And at this point, the line between exploration and colonization starts to blur. What's even more interesting is that Artemis isn't a project of just one country. It's a global collaboration, bringing together multiple nations, space agencies, and major private companies. There are international partnerships, along with agreements like the Artemis Accords, which are said to ensure that exploration remains peaceful and transparent. It sounds ideal, right? But history also teaches us that collaboration doesn't always mean the absence of interests. In fact, those interests often become more organized and structured. Because in the end, the key question remains the same: who truly benefits? So now the question is no longer, can humans go to the moon? But rather, what are we going there for? And who will decide its future? Because perhaps what we are witnessing today is not just a giant leap for technology, but the beginning of a new chapter in human history.